Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Yapzor. Today I'm going to be showing you how you'll be able to connect your WhatsApp to your PC using the WhatsApp web, where you can access your WhatsApp messages on your phone and on your PC at the same time. This is important sometimes when you're working on something on your PC and you wouldn't like to be pressing your phone to reply messages. So let's get started. If you're new here, kindly hit on the subscribe button to subscribe. It's absolutely free of charge. And hit on the notification icon so that you get notified whenever I release new videos. I do videos on tech and other stuff to make your phone use and PC use simple. Alright, so to start, you go to your browser. As I'm using Opera Mini here, there is a shortcut already, but I'll just use the normal web. So you just type web WhatsApp, and as you can see it has appeared. So you have it here, web WhatsApp. So web.whatsapp.com, that's the website on your PC. So when you go that on your PC, it will give you a code to scan, and on your phone you click on the three dots on the top and go to WhatsApp web. Then you scan the code that is on the QR code that is on the PC. So as you've seen, I've scanned and it appears on both devices. What is on the phone is the same as what's on the PC. So if I should send a message, so if I should send hi, the hi is sent, and you can see that it's also on the phone as well. So it's on the PC and on the phone as well. So if you want to send messages, this is what you do. If it's a picture, you can just simply go to where the picture is. So for instance, I enter this folder and I want to transfer a picture. So you just click on the picture, drag and drop. It's the same way for every kind of file, whether it's a document, whatever file. So for instance, this document, when I just drag and drop, it goes as a document, and this goes as a picture. So that's just a simple way of what? Sending. You can do the same way to pictures, videos and others. But for more specific files, when you go here, attach, this icon is also on the phone. So you just go to photos and videos, and you can browse to where they are. So for instance, I'm taking this picture and it appears. You can add your text, so hide there, and it goes like the way you use the normal WhatsApp tool. And also, one interesting thing is if you want to transfer messages to your phone, you can use it. So this group, as you can see, there are only two members. I'm the only those are my two WhatsApp accounts on it. You cannot see that this you can see it here, only two. So when I'm transferring things to my PC, that's just what I do, and it goes to the phone, and I can simply download it there. As you can see, it appears on the phone the same way you do. So that's just simply how you use your WhatsApp on your PC for easier. You can view status on it as well. When you go here, you have the status available. So this is my own listen. You can view the status as well there on your PC. But what you cannot do is you can view and reply. So hi, and the reply is gone. It has replied here. But what you cannot do with the WhatsApp here is you cannot upload or edit your own status. So for now, I've not uploaded any status there. So let me just upload a simple status and you see what I'm talking about. As you can see, I've uploaded one status. I can only view it here. I cannot delete or do anything. So that's just basically how you connect your WhatsApp to your PC. So when you are working on your PC, any document, you get notification. When I click here, it gives you the notifications at your notification panel. As you can see, notifications are all here where you can view them and reply your messages. So it's just as simple as that. And if you've not subscribed, please hit on the subscribe button to subscribe. As I said, it's free of charge so that you get notified whenever I release a new video. And also check out my other videos, they are very useful and helpful. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, it's bye.